Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome to Asolta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for Aries for the month of June 2020. So I thought, I should do something different. Okay, so I got. I'll be doing a reading for four different topics. Okay, that is career, relationship, finances, and romance. Okay, so take it however it resonates. Every single area will be separate. Okay, so single, committed, people who are into relationship, people who are married, every single person out there can check this video out. Okay, because I wanted to make sure that I include all parts of it. Okay, so yes, comment down below if you like it. One important thing, guys, before starting a reading, I'll be using two different decks this time, since I have I have ordered two different decks. So yeah, so this is original wet rider tarot deck, this one. The second one is the makeover card. Okay, the mind body makeover card. Okay, I don't know the name, so the details will be given in the description box below with like which deck I'm using. Okay, okay, one important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, related to career, relationship, situationship, we have introduced new free different, like new different readings. Okay, like full mini readings. Okay, just 12 card readings at an affordable price. So you can check out in the description box below all the reasonable readings as well. Okay, at an affordable price. Okay, and third most important thing, guys, if you want to learn online tarot learning and numerology, 10 days and 15 days workshop, the details are given in the description box below. You can enroll for the sessions, and I must tell you, the sessions are really going on very awesome, because I have a lot of people who have joined me for this workshop, and I would request you too, if you would like to join, because you can start on your own something. Okay, so that's a very good idea. And next best important thing is that if you want to be a part of a soul giveaway, we'll be providing 5 personal free readings for you, to the winners. Okay, so you have to follow few steps. Details are given in the description box below. And yeah, that's it, that's all. Okay, and I'm doing live sessions daily on my Facebook page, Vasolta Prediction, between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. If you want to join me, you can. Okay, so yes, so what's I'll be picking up few oracle cards. Okay, and few tarot cards. Okay, for the same. So what universe has to tell you. So one card will be like 4 card spread, and then we'll clarify it. Okay, so yeah. Also, one more thing, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, to this YouTube channel. Okay, this is the reading for the month of June, how your month will be. Okay, so yeah, your romance, the justice, career, 7 of swords, relationship, 5 of cups, and your finances is a wands. Okay, romance, career, relationship, and finances. Okay, RCRF. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so for your romance, let me clarify, there is a justice card. So some sort of if there was Aries, if there was some sad ending happened, some sort of justice is coming into your way in the month of June. Okay, yeah, some sort of ending took place in the past, and you are going through some internal transformation, internal healing, internal transformation. Okay, and some sort of justice is coming into your way when it comes to your romance. Okay, yeah, you had a very depressed energy, sad energy with your soulmate, with your partner, whatever it is. So you had a very a lot of anxiety issues, sadness, depressed energy, okay, and you're releasing it in the month of June. A lot of transformation is taking place for you, and you're releasing all this sadness and depressed energy. So yeah, this was a karmic cycle, okay. If there was something bad happened into your romantic love life, then you know this karmic cycle is coming to an end, okay. Some sort of karmic cycle is coming to an end, and that's why you are going through some internal transformation, internal healing, okay. A lot of changes are coming into your life, okay, into your romantic love life, and there might be a possibility that you know a reconciliation or a reunion might take place, or a new offer might come into your life, you know, in the upcoming weeks, okay. So let's check out for your career. So yeah, your career was not going on good. You are like, you know, you are right now disappointed. There are a lot of obstacles in the way, and you are trying to remove it. The career, whatever you are pursuing, you are not satisfied with it, or you are holding back from this particular career, okay. You want to go for a career which yields good income, good money, good finances, and I think you are not satisfied enough in whichever career you are it is, okay. So, and because that is not giving you that kind of money, that kind of paisa, that kind of materialistic income, okay. So yeah, you are feeling sad, depressed about it, okay. Yeah, but yeah, some sort of an offer might be coming into your place, okay. So wait for the right time, not this month, but in the month of August the situation I am looking is good for you, okay. Let me check out for relationship. Same energy with relationship also as it was in the romance, okay. So you have a sad, depressed energy. Yeah, you are going through some healing, hoping, transforming yourself. Same energies. You have a very highly intuitive energy. You are gaining a clarity when it comes to this relationship, okay. You are going through some sort of rebirth, okay. So someone is coming with an offer of love towards you, okay. Some sort of an offer of love is coming towards you. Someone is offering a relationship, a long-term relationship to you, a long-term new beginning into your life. Someone is coming towards it. Yes, this relationship, whatever someone is bringing on with it, it might be a past person, it might be a new person, whosoever it is, he or she is coming with a cup of love towards you. It's just not a normal connection, it's a spiritually, divinely guided twin flame connection, okay. So yeah, think about it. Yeah, and you will have a new beginning with this person. New beginning. I think you have gone through a lot of sadness, internal transformation, internal healing, and you are going through currently, okay. So demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic situation in the past, and establishing and rebuilding of a new situation, new life, new beginning, okay. So some sort of new beginning, stable life is coming into your way. And yeah, the world, full world, see this karmic cycle in both your romantic love life and your relationship. A karmic cycle is playing its role, okay. So you are going through a lot of confusion right now, a lot of internal transformation, internal healing right now, okay. So don't be sad, depressed, because I think, you know, this you will be you know, you'll be thinking that you are going through a fucking time right now, seriously, okay. So yeah, that this karmic cycle is coming to an end, and this wheel of fortune is also a karmic cycle, it is also coming to an end. So both your romantic love life and your relationship, both are showing the same thing. So your this karmic cycle is coming to an end, and a new beginning is taking place. Someone will be offering a cup of love in the immediate future towards you, and you will be going for a new beginning in life, a new transformation, new lives, everything will be new, okay. So yeah, wow, that's really cool. You're going through some healing, hoping, believing, internal transformation, and I think, you know, universe is guiding you with this connection, with this universal connection. Universe is guiding you to move towards this connection, which is really good, okay. That's awesome. And let me check out how will be your finances, okay. So this is all for everyone, okay. Single, couple, married, people who are separated, people who are in a relationship, okay. So I try to cover every single person out there, okay. So yeah, it is also a general reading. take it however it resonates, whichever area you are concerned about, and whichever part you feel like you want to think about, so you can. Okay, so yeah, finances. An opportunity is coming in your finances. You had a stuck energy in the past, you currently also have a stuck energy, you are not gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, and but a new offer of opportunity is definitely coming, you are gaining a clarity. Wow, there is Ace of Wands, two aces, Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. An opportunity related to your finances, materialistic world, and a lot of opportunities coming. But for that, this wheel has to close down first into your romantic love life. Okay, and once this wheel comes to an end, a lot of new opportunities will be coming into your life. Okay, um, into your new love, new beginning in love, new beginning in your finances, new beginning in your money related stuff, new beginning, taking a risk and moving forward into your life. Okay, releasing all the confusions, problems into your life. Yes, you have to move forward, and you have to focus on your career where there is equal give and take into your materialistic world. Okay, when it comes to money, so yeah, some sort of decision you need to make, to move forward. And once you move forward, lot of new opportunities in finances, in money, new opportunities in your love life as well. So yeah, renewal of love might take place, who are married and separated, and for singles, new love might enter into your life. So yeah, lot of everything is going on parallelly. Okay, so this transformation just not giving you a proper happy new beginning in your love life, this star moment is also giving you a proper new beginning into your career and materialistic world as well. Okay, and in the part of finances, you will be choosing where there is equal give and take. Okay, and it's beautiful. I think it's beautiful. A lot of new opportunities will be coming, a lot of new options will be coming, new clients, new money, new collaborations might be coming in the immediate future for you, Aries. That's a beautiful reading, guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonate. Oh, sorry, one important thing. Okay, let me pull out 3 messages from the universe. Okay, 3 messages, sorry, I forgot. Okay, 3 messages for the universe. This is new deck, that's why I forgot to check this out. Okay, 3 messages from the universe. Okay, the first message, the second message, I'm picking this randomly. Okay, and the third message. Okay, let me read out what universe wants to tell you guys. Okay, so if you get angry very easily, okay, universe needs to tell you that I learn to love both the positive and the negative aspects of others as I grow to love my own strengths and weaknesses. Okay, okay, so if you feel that if you focus on negative things a lot in people, the universe is trying to tell you to accept the negative and positive aspects just similar as you accept your strength and weaknesses. The second message, universal message, is that true wisdom is maintaining a balance between pushing and holding back, balancing detailed perfection with allowing some imperfections. So if you are imperfect, accept it, accept your flaws, and focus on more detailed perfections as well. Okay, that is really beautiful. The third message from the universe is that I now have an opportunity to move through my tears of failure and can give birth to satisfying work, wealth, and relationship. Wow, this is for sadness. If you feel sad sometimes, if you want to heal, the messages, I now have an opportunity to move through my fears of failure and can give birth to satisfying work, wealth, and relationships. Beautiful. So yeah, this was the message from the universe. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This was Soul Tarot Prediction, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the caption above, description below. Okay, and second most important thing, guys, there are different I have already introduced new full readings, different readings for various type of people who wants an affordable readings, okay, with me. So kindly check out in the description box below. And yeah, that's all. And yeah, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.